Welcome to another Onza04 product unboxing. So, pictures just don't do justice, as always. That's why I make these videos, so you can actually see the craftsmanship of what I buy. Been on the hunt for a recovery strap. Living in Minnesota, driving out on lakes, going fishing, I tend to get stuck. And if you're with a buddy, it can save you from a lot of shoveling. So this is the one I bought. It's 3-inch recovery strap, 30 feet, and it comes with D shekels. I'll get this in focus, and it's got this rating right there at the bottom. Minimum breaking strength. It's counterintuitive based on what I was reading. You have to divide that number by like 2 or 3 in order to figure out if what you're trying to pull is sufficient, or at least if I understand my English. The shackles that it comes with, it's 2 times 4.75, which is about 9,000 pounds. The truck I drive, I think, is around 5,000 or 6,000 pounds, so I had no problems with it. It comes with 2, so boat 2 on, I guess, if you need twice the amount of power. I don't know if it works like that, but in a pinch, you'll make it work. Okay, so what's inside this magical bag they give you? Which is nice that they give you a bag so it doesn't go everywhere. It's got Velcro top. On the inside, you will see the strap. It's got a protective plastic over it and 2 D shackles. So make sure these are in focus before I go into detail. And it looks something like this. Pretty nice. In the instructions it says tighten down all the way and then release a quarter to a full turn. So that's what it says. I don't quite know or understand why, but that's what it says. So if someone knows, post below. This is all new territory for me, by the way. And here is the other one. 2 solid, beefy looking D-rings. Sweet. In addition to this, it comes with this little manual. Right there it says, if the snatch strap breaks, the object can become a missile, and it is likely to cause damage or injury. I find it to be the funniest part in the whole entire manual. Let's get into it. Open this up. First time. So right off the bat, it comes with these little Velcro ties to hold it down. Velcroed it. And just loosening and playing with this fabric right here. It's like extremely rigid and stiff. It's like ridiculous amounts of stiffness. It's hard to explain. You'll have to, when you guys order, you'll know what I'm talking about. So in terms of advertising what you're getting, they say 3 inches. It's just shy. No big deal. Yes, it's okay. So when you look at how thick it is, it's a hair over 1/8 and a hair under 1/4. So whatever that is. So let's look at this little product tag. Once again, 24.20 for poundage, nylon, 20% stretch, and there's that little weird note. The minimum breaking strength of the strap should be between 2 and 3 times the gross vehicle mass of any vehicle that it's used with. 30 feet, and it's not certified for lifting. Snatch strap. Okay, let's take a quick peek next at the stitching. And I see no issues with stitching quality assurance. Everything appears very solid and uniform from a stitching standpoint. Obviously, I could be overlooking some stuff, but it looks very well built. I unraveled the orange snake to get to the other side, and let's inspect the stitching on this side now. It also all appears to be in high quality stitching as well, so I don't see any issues there. Let's look under this thing. Okay, as you guys can see, I moved that black piece, that neoprene sock thing, and it appears that there is about a foot or so of overlap to create this loop end. And by analyzing the stitching, it also seems like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a dozen or so cross stitch patterns. On the other side, I see just a little chunk of fur there, and once again, no random loose stitchings anywhere. Now I'm just gonna roll it up. process, but if you find something made in China, like even though it sounds like fun, inside the fibers. So there it is, and hopefully the video will help you guys out. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you do like it, click that like button. If you hate it, click that like button. Thanks.